What's up guys? We're here again at the Pico del Oro Beach Resort, Batangas for the second time. Tara, let's go! Ayan, bali kasama din namin si tatay. Bali second time na din niya ngayon dito sa Pico del Oro. Bali katatapos lang namin mag-check-in yan. So di ko na na-video kasi tinamad ako. Our first stop nga pala is the beach. Dahil naka-wheelchair siya, hindi siya gugulong sa buhangin. Kaya kailangan namin buhatin siya. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ayan, exercise malala tuloy. Shout out kay birthday girl. The reason why kami andito lahat. So, to celebrate my mama's birthday tomorrow. It's already 6 p.m. Bawal na maligo. Close na yung beach for their safety. That's why we decided to enjoy the view. Just to share with you all, this is our second time here. Our first time here is last August 2022 to celebrate my auntie's birthday. And for this year, we're gonna be celebrating my mother's birthday. It's already 8 p.m. so we transfer to the pool area. And of course, kasama namin si tatay. And good thing here in the Pico del Oro, napakaraming ramp for the wheelchairs and very accessible for the senior citizens and our grandmas or grandfathers who cannot walk. Hulaan nyo kung ano ginagawa ko. Secret. Favorite nyo yan. Yung iba natikman nyo na yan eh. Mga addict. Ayan siya, mix lang. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng classic tiramisu. Need nating ibabad yung browas sa black coffee. And after a few seconds, need natin ilipat sa isang square na lagayan. Need lang natin siyang punuin and i-flat. And after that, we need to put the cream that we mixed earlier in the mixer and just spread it to the browas at the top. Once it's finished, you can now put the cocoa powder and you can now put this tiramisu in the freezer overnight. It's already April 9:12 a.m. It's my mama's birthday. Happy birthday! Ayan na siya, pagbasa siya ng hagdan. Ayan na. Happy birthday to you. Ayan ang kanyang birthday sa lubong. Partida, galing pa kaming ibaan. Good morning. Ayan, second day na natin dito sa Pico. Ang view natin from the hotel is the fish pond with the fountain and the koi fish. Ayan, napakalaking koi, madaming fish, madaming isda. Ayan, naglalakihan. Sobrang gandang view, lalo na pag morning. Naglalakad na tayo on the way to the beach. Mga 3 to 4 minutes walk. Good morning, sea waves. Ayan, dumaan tayo saglit dito sa beach. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga nagsuswimming na din around morning para hindi crowded pag tanghali until afternoon. Shoutout sa mga cute na bibe. At this time, on the way tayo sa VIP lounge because we have an access there. Here we go, andito na tayo sa VIP lounge para magkapalit ng ordinary wristband to VIP wristband para magka-access tayo sa VIP area. Shoutout kay Ma'am JL. Siya yung nag-assist sa panglalagay. Ayan, thank you po. Yung pinsan ko naglaro ng buhangin. Nung nagutom, ayan yung carbonara, ginawang pansit habhab. Malupet. After namin mag-beach is kumain lang kami and pumunta lang kami dito sa may recreational activities which is the tennis court, badminton court, and table tennis and basketball to play some games. Namiss ko maglaro nito kaya ayan, let's go! Huling laro ko nito is 2 years ago. Second place pa sa tournament. Ayan, kalaban ko si mama, ang birthday girl. Dahil nagutom kami, kain tayo ng pizza and some shakes. Thank you po sa pag-serve. Wala pang 5 minutes, ubos na. This is our last day here in Pico. Time check, let's go to the beach. Shoutout sa mga guests na nag-aabang ng shuttle papunta sa kanilang hotels. Payapang umaga, napakagandang view. Bali, almost check out na din tayo ngayon, 12 p.m. Pauwi na tayo ngayon and abangan nyo yung next video kung saan kami pupunta. Thank you!